Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to cover the logical functions and logic gates. So, in the last videos, I have covered this evaluate component which is found in maths op and script. Then we get the evaluate. With the help of evaluate, we can also work. Let me delete it first. With the help of evaluate, we can also work with the logical functions. Logical functions. If you have any experience of the programming language where if and else loops are used, like if something happened then what should happen, we make a condition like that. If there is a example like if x is less than 5, then make a circle. If x is less greater than 5, make a polygon. This kind of examples can be solved by this evaluate function. So let's see an example. So what I have done, there is a condition which is x is greater than 5 connected with the f. And now what we do, we give it an input on which it applies the condition. So let's see what it returns the result. So it says true because 8 is greater than 5. As we move towards less than 5, we see false. Okay, so where can we use it? So for example, let's first see what is a dispatch component. Let's click on it. So if you can see what dispatch uh, component does, it takes two inputs. First input uh, takes list of elements, and the second is also a list of the elements where it says to the every corresponding element whether it's true or false. Then what it does, it divides the whole list into the true and false element. So A returns the elements which are true, B returns the elements which are false. So our end list is from the here, and we get the true or false from the B. So what would happen here? The output of A will be the uh, true elements, and B will be the false element. So let's connect them. So here you can see right now what happens. The 7 is greater than 5, hence we are saying it A. But as we even become 5, because it is not greater than 5 is not greater than 5, so we are seeing 5. So let's use it further. So what we do, if the data flows from A, it would make a circle, but if data flows from B, it would make a polygon. Preview is on. Let's turn on the preview. Go to maximize it. Yes, now you can see. So what happens here? Let's go. So here, if condition is true, that is x is greater than 5, then it comes through A to the circle. But if the condition is false, which passes through B and it forms a polygon. Let's see it. So you can see the conversion of polygon and circle. So logical functions are a great way to form algorithms. And let's go next. So next are the logic gates. Logic gates are actually found in operators, and you can see AND gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, OR gate. So I will be discussing only two gates, which is AND gate and OR gate. Click on AND gate and help. So you can see AND gate returns true only if the both of the inputs are true, which is A and B. Otherwise, it returns false. And OR gate, what it does, it returns true if any of the statements are true. So first turn off preview for circle and polygon. Yes. So let's see. Let's look at the condition first. The first condition is x has to be greater than 3 and set it to be 4. So the condition is true. And the second one is x should be less than 5. So let's make it less than 5. So both of them are true. So we are connecting it with AND component. So it should return true because both of them are true. So here you can say it is returning true. So if one of them goes false, the AND gate returns false. So let's see the OR gate. Here you can see if any of them is true, it returns true. To make OR gate false, you have to make both of them false. So here you can see both of them are false, so it is false. So uh, I stop here with, so there are more gates to cover like NOT, OR, NAND, and SNOR.